राम जन्मभूमि पर राम मंदिर का निर्माण कराए जाने का फैसला हिंदुओं के पक्ष में दिया जाता है।
Why was Ayodhya so important to India? What are the secrets of this temple? Let us understand the significance of Ayodhya with Lord Ram. In the history of our gods, Lord Vishnu has always taken different avatars to kill the demons. As his seventh avatar, Lord Vishnu took the avatar of Lord Ram to kill Ravan. Ravan has taken the boon from Brahma that none of his creations can kill him except for humans. He thought humans are too weak and cannot defeat him. So this avatar of Lord Vishnu was as human. One day gods prayed to Lord Vishnu to be born as a son of King Dashratha, as he was a virtuous and renowned king in Treta Yuga. He belongs to Ikshvaku dynasty. He had 3 wives, Kaushalya, Kaikeyi and Sumitra. He was childless for a long time, so he arranged for a yagna sacrifice. At sacrifice, Agni, god of fire, arose from the flames and handed the king a golden vase brimming with nectar. "Give this to your queens," said the god of fire, and disappeared. The king Dashratha gave half of the nectar to Kaushalya, the eldest, another half to Kaikeyi and to the queen Sumitra. Queen Kaushalya gave birth to eldest son god Rama. Queen Kaikeyi gave birth to Bharat. Queen Sumitra gave birth to Lakshmana and Shatrudhna. The main purpose of Lord Rama incarnation is to demonstrate the righteous path, dharma, for all living creatures on earth and to kill Ravan. Before we move on, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. The Ramayana states that the location of Rama's birthplace is on the banks of the Sarayu river in a city called Ayodhya. That is the Ayodhya in the Indian state of Uttar Pradesh. It is also known as the Janmabhoomi of Lord Ram. Not only that, Lord, after returning from his exile, also ruled the city for many years to establish dharma. Hence, Ayodhya holds a very important part of Hindu culture and the reason why the Ram Mandir had to be in Ayodhya. Let's now know about the new Ayodhya temple. The Ayodhya Ram Mandir is a grand temple built in the Nagara style of temple architecture. The temple is built using pink sandstone and is spread across an area of 2.77 acres. The most striking feature of the temple is the giant Shaligram stone, a black stone brought from the Gandaki river in Nepal. The temple has 3 floors. The first floor is dedicated to Lord Ram, while the second floor is dedicated to Lord Hanuman, and the third floor is a museum showcasing the history and culture of Ayodhya. The new Ayodhya temple has a unique feature that was seen on the Sri Rama Navami this year. A beam of sunlight was projected on Lord Ram's forehead. An alemma is a graph which shows the position of the sun in a 8-graph style. This was used while building the Ram Mandir in such a way that exactly on Sri Rama Navami the beam falls on Lord Ram's forehead. So the position of the sun on the 8th day of new moon to full moon in the month of Navami was calculated and architected the temple same way. The same way how the other temples like sun temples were also built in the old times. Comment your thoughts on this video and stay tuned for next interesting video to learn more from our scriptures.